Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the passcode on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you take your watch off your wrist, you will need to enter the passcode the next time you use it. This is to prevent other people from being able to use the watch if you misplace it. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the Settings and tap Passcode. Then tap Change Passcode. You now need to enter the watch's current passcode. Enter the new passcode, then enter it again to confirm it. Your watch's passcode has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.